Hi friends, it's Catherine from In the Pink Designs. Today I have another sneak peek of a stamp set called Party Puffins. This is a cling. It doesn't come with any dies, but that's okay. I still love it. It's adorable. There's different sayings. It says, happy birthday, make a wish to someone who makes others happy. You're the best. From all of us. It has a cake, some candles, a little fish with a bow, and 3 different puffins. And I do love puffins. I remember seeing them at the Bronx Zoo, and they're colorful and beautiful, and I love them. Okay, so I made today this carton that holds this little bubbles. This is a different color in here. They came in pink, lots of different colors, but I happened to pick up the blue and red one, which doesn't match my project, but you don't see it on the inside. These were from Walmart. I believe they were $1 or $2 for a 2-pack, which I really liked them as little gifts for little ones. So that's what's going to fit inside this carton today. The carton measures, let's see, 4 by 1 3/4 by 1 1/4. Alrighty, and that's not, of course, counting the ribbons that stick up. I'm also using this DSP is the Pansy Petals DSP. I used the retiring layering oval dies, some pale papaya cardstock right here. This is so saffron for the scallop and the body of the box. And these ribbons, the terracotta tile is from the Ornate Garden Ribbon Combo Pack, which is retiring. And the Ruched Daffodil Delight ribbon is retiring also. And then just some white twine, which is kind of retiring, but it's coming back in a multi-pack. Alrighty. Oh, what I did mean to say before is they have very colorful beaks. They're all oranges and beautiful. If you've ever seen a puffin in real life, I do like them. Okay, so we're going to start with some more So Saffron cardstock, and you can get 2 of these out of each piece of 8.5 by 11. And we need to cut this at 6.5 and you need this piece by 5 1/4. Okay. Okay, and out of this piece you can cut your scallop, and then you need 1 out of Whisper White, Basic White now. That is the smaller one that goes right inside from the layering oval dies, which are retiring. I told you that. Alrighty, we also need from the Pansy Petals DSP, we need 2 pieces that are 2.5 by 1.5, 2 pieces that are 1 by 2.5, and 2 pieces that are 1/2 by 1.5. Alright, so that's basically all the cardstock you need. Okay, now I already stamped You Are the Best on this. I'll flip it over and show you on the back, but I didn't want to have to cut another one out if I made a mistake, because I'm just not the best at lining up clings with sentiments. I just struggle, but obviously this time I got it. So maybe I'm getting better, but I'll show it to you doing it on that side. Alright, now I need the Simply Score. Simply Scored. Sorry, I always say that wrong. Alrighty. And we're going to start on the 6.5 inch side. And we're going to score at 1/2, 2 1/4, 3 1/2, and 5 1/4. I'm going to turn it to the 5 1/4 side, and we're going to score at 1 1/4, 4, and 4 3/4. Alrighty. Now I had a comment on my blog on Friday, which was a rough day for me because I got my COVID shot on Thursday and I was sick. I had 101, chills, I just, headache, terrible. I still have a bit of a headache and I'm filming this on Sunday. But I got a comment that was rather nasty about everything that my mic picks up. My dog's walking, me moving things on my desk. That day, I do understand that I didn't cut out enough of me tapping my glue on the desk. But this is where I live. This is my life. I have 4 dogs, one which is my daughter's, which will be going to wherever she lives soon. And I love them, and they're part of my family, and they walk around. I try to cut out most of the barking if I can. But the walking around, I can't do anything about that. You're going to hear them. You're going to hear some of my family. I live in a small house. I try to keep it very quiet. But 5 people and 4 dogs live here. So I'm really sorry. I apologize, but this is my life. I try to be as quiet as possible, but I just try to fit them in, my videos in when I can. All right, so now I'm done preaching. It just chapped my butt a little, if I may say. I'm sorry. What we're going to do is we're just going to get rid of this rectangle, and then we're going to cut the bottom apart, wedge the squares, and keep the rectangle straight, and that's it. Alrighty. So on this side, on the left-hand side, we're going to just take out, I'm sorry, this long skinny rectangle's on the left-hand side when it's in the landscape mode. All right, so we're going to cut this rectangle off and then wedge a little bit above it. And then we can wedge the tippy top too, just a little bit. And then I'm just going to keep the rectangle side straight and wedge the squares. Now I'm going to put on the DSP and the 2 pieces that are 2 1/4 by 1 1/2 are going to go here and here. The 2 pieces that are 1 by 2 1/2 are going to go here and here, and the 1/2 by 2 1/2 are going to go here and here. Okay, I'm just going to attach them with liquid glue, and I promise I will not tap. Okay, now we need some tear and tape, and we're going to put it on the long skinny rectangle right up next to the score line, and then we're going to put it on the back of the 3rd piece from this. Okay, you could also wait till the end and can figure out, you can put it together and then figure out which is the front and the back if you don't like to do that beforehand. Alrighty, I'm going to use my take your pick tool. And I'm just going to put that together, fold in the sides and the back, and then I'm going to attach the bottom. Alright, okay. I'm just going to put my bubbles in, and I'm going to push and squeeze. Perfect. Alright, and that's our carton. Okay, so now we're going to do some stamping. Alright. right, and I have some basic white and a Tuxedo Black ink. And I'm just going to twist a little because sometimes on the solid, when they have lots of solid space, I really need to get it inked up well. That's good enough. Alrighty, and then I'll show you on the back of this that I just lined up the bottom. Yeah, I did pretty good, except I got a little ink on that, but that's the back. Alrighty. Okay, and now we're going to do a little coloring. I only had to use light and dark pumpkin pie. Alright, so in the part of the beak that's closest to the face, I used the light pumpkin pie. And the dark pumpkin pie, I did the tip of the beak and the feet. And I forgot to tell you that this says you're the best, if I didn't. Alright, and then I'm just going to fussy cut it. I missed a little spot. Okay, I just realized that I cut this out of basic white and not out of pale papaya. So I have to stamp it again, and let's just hope I get it right. Now, I know there was a little bit of ink on there. Good enough. It's a little to the side, but it's all right. Okay. So we don't need that one anymore. All right, so now I better put this die away before I lose it. Okay, so now I'm just going to take our pale papaya oval and I'm going to glue it on to the So Saffron oval. Alrighty. And then I'm going to attach my puffin with dimensionals. Right, and I'm just going to put it so that it's kind of right on top of the words. There we go. All right. Now, what I want to do with this is I'm going to use some of the Ruched Daffodil Delight ribbon and some of the Terracotta tile, which goes with this colors very nicely. And I'm just going to wrap it around the whole box, just like that. Just kind of get them side by side if I can. And just pull them tight. And then I'm going to get a little bit of baker's twine, and I'm going to tie a bow right in the front. With one hand, which is hard. All right, I'll tighten it after. Here we go. All right. And then, whoa. Then we need this to stay. You know what? Silly me. I should just clip this. All right. There we go. Now we'll go. Now we got it going here. All right. And I've twisted this. Okay. Now I'm going to pull this up nice and tight. And I'm going to pull it tight. All right, and if it's not completely tight enough, you can just separate it like that and pull again. There we go. All right, let me just cut this off rough just for now. Get it out of our way. Okay, and then I'm just going to tie a bow. Good. Just going to snip this off. And then I'm just going to kind of cut these kind of shorter. Oops. Okay. A mess here, sorry about that. Alrighty, and then we're just going to put dimensionals on the back of this. And put it right over the ribbon in the center. Just give it a little press. And there you go. There's your Party Puffin bubble box carton. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate all the time that you spend watching my channel and all the lovely comments that I get. Almost every one of them is very rare that somebody is not nice. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions. And if you would like to order anything from me, from Stampin' Up through me, my address at the top of the screen, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I will see you on Wednesday. And my catalogs went out this morning, Monday morning. I'm sending them out. Alrighty, so they're first class. You should get them pretty quickly. Alrighty, I will see you next time. Bye.